Okay, folks, where are we? We are on page 570. Can you see it down there? 570? 570. 570. Pause your video and find it because we are going to start. Try doing number one by yourself. Good, guys. Work on that one, okay? See if you can do number one by yourself. Pause your video and do it, okay? Because we don't want to waste too much time. Okay, did you do it already? Well, I'm going to read it with you. I hope you already finished. If you didn't finish it, pause it. Here we go. Allie has 2 pieces of string. Each one is 8 inches long, so they're the same. They're equal. They're both 8. How many inches of string does she have altogether? If we put them together, how much is this? What do? You add. What's 8 and 8? 16, right? Some of you already knew that. You could have used your number line. You could have used your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You know how to do it. Y'all got it? Try number 2. See if you can do this one on your own. Good. Pause your video and work out number 2. Got it? If you didn't get it, pause your video because we're going to read it now together. Jeff has a cube train that is 22 inches long. He removes 8 inches of cubes from the train. How long is Jeff's cube train now? Tenía un tren de cubos que era 22 pulgadas, pero quitó 8 pulgadas. ¿Cuántos quedan? ¿Qué tiene que hacer? What do you have to do? You have to take away. You have to do what? 22 minus 8. You can do it on the number line 22 and count backwards 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you could do it on your fingers 22 minus 8. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Or you could even do it like this, the way we were taught. 22 minus 8. Right? Starting on the ones column, 2 minus 8. Can you take away 8? No. You borrow. The 2 becomes a what? Cross out the 2 and put a 1. Because you had 2 10s, now you have 1 10. Take that 10 and add it to 2, and you make this into a 12. Now you have 12 minus 8. 12 quito 8, 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Escríbelo 4. 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Write the 4 down there. Now this is now a 1. Remember, you borrowed from the 2, made it into a 1. 1, take away nothing, 1. 1, 4, 14 again. We did it 3 different ways, didn't we? Number 3. Go ahead, try this one by yourself. Try not to use that many coins. Try to do the fewest coins possible. Okay? Go ahead, pause it and try it. You got to draw a picture. Okay, we're going to check now. You should have done it already. Here we go. Ann buys a pencil for 45 cents. Draw and label coins Ann could use to make 45. Which coin should we take? If we want to get there fast, which one should we take first? We could use a dime, we could use a nickel, but nickel's only 5, and a pennies are only 1s. A dime would be 10, that's not bad, but what's even better? Yeah, we could use 4 dimes and 5 pennies, because dimes are 10s and pennies are 1s. But that's using 4 and 5 is 9 coins. We don't need that many coins. We're going to use what first? Did you say a quarter? Did you put a quarter first? Put a quarter. What do you write underneath a quarter? 25. Escriben 25. Write a 25. I better see it too. If I don't see it, it means you're not watching the video. You're just looking at the pictures. Can I put another quarter? If I put another quarter, what's 2 quarters? 25, 50. Too big. Don't use a quarter, so what do we use? A dime. 25, 25 and 10 more. 35. What do we get? Another dime. 25, 35, 45. Good, write the numbers. If you didn't do it this way and you use nickels, that's okay. If you did it with nickels and you counted by fives, that's good too. You can do it with 1 dime and 2 nickels. You can do a quarter and 4 nickels. You can do 4 dimes and 1 nickel. Here I only needed 3 coins though. 25, 35, 45. Write the numbers underneath your coins. Whatever coins you use, write the numbers. Use an inch ruler. About how long is the string? Oh, come on. How long is that going to be? Inches. Isn't that just about 1 inch? And what does it say here? Inch. It doesn't say inches. That's 1. If you don't believe me, where's my ruler? I had it out a little while ago. Well, I'll use this one. Look, it's a little more than 1, but it's closest to 1. 1 inch. Put a 1. Jason has these coins in a jar. What is the total value? Can you count that money? Now watch out. They mixed them up. What is that? Quarter. Then they have a nickel, then a dime, then another nickel, then another dime. Remember how we taught, oh, you can't even see mine. Remember how we taught you, do the ones with the most value first. Which one would that be? The quarter. What's a quarter? 25. Put a 25. 25 aquí. And then which one do we do? Don't do the nickel, do the dime. That's 10 more. 25, 35. 25, 35. How about the other dime? 25, 35, 45. You got 45, put 45. 25, 35, 45. I want to see the numbers. I don't want you to copy mine, so I'm not writing it, but I want to see your numbers. 25, 35, 45. Now we're going to do the nickels. They're 5 cents each. What comes after 45? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50, 50. 55, 55, 55. How much money is it? 55 cents. Put that little C with the line through it. Or 55 cents. Either way. You could do it like this. We could even do it like this. Well, you could do 55 with the little C. You can put the little C. Or you could do it this way. $.55. One of these. You pick this way or this way to put it up there. Okay? What do we do here? First measurement, second measurement. What are we measuring? Why is measuring in feet different from measuring in inches? Have pairs of children stand apart and measure the distance between them with sheets of paper folded in half lengthwise. Then have them measure the same distance using large paper clips. Oh, you got to be kidding. I ain't going to do that. I don't like this page, really. Describe how the length of a sheet of paper and the length of a paper clip are different. Well, the length of a regular sheet of paper. Let me get you a regular sheet of paper. Here's a sheet of paper. If I folded it, they said fold it this way lengthwise. Okay, how long is this? Do you know? This piece of paper is 11.5 inches. I can measure with my ruler and you'll see. It's 11. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 11 inches. Exactly 11 inches. If it was 1 more inch, it would be 12 inches. And do you know what we call 12 inches? We call 12 inches a foot. This is a foot. This ruler here is a foot long. When would we use a ruler to measure? Would I measure how big a pencil is with lots of rulers? No, because they're 12 inches. If I want to measure a big distance, like how big a desk is, I might have to use a foot. I might have to measure in feet. We haven't done measuring in feet. But people are usually around 5 or 6 feet tall. The tallest people are 7 feet. 7 feet. That's 7 of these rulers standing up. That's how tall some people are, 7 of them. Mr. Farrar I'm not even 6 rulers high. I'm not that tall. But a lot of men are 6 feet tall. Some women are 6 feet. Not many women are 6 feet, though. 6 rulers. This is a foot. Remember, a foot is 12 inches. Okay, we're not going to do any drawing on this page. Just take a nice picture of this page, 570, and send it to me, okay? Measuring inches and feet. We're not going to measure inches and feet. Okay, we'll do that tomorrow. We're going to measure inches and feet. Anyway, take a picture of 570 and send it to me. I want to see if you got all the numbers I wanted. Remember, I don't want you copying mine. I want you writing what you're supposed to write. Okay, we will see you tomorrow in class. Bye.